What's up? This is my mini blog. I hope you enjoy manga Kopo. So here, I'm going to go at the Baya Basin to get some bayabas, of course. But while I'm going there, I stumbled upon a lot of livestock. Look at this animal's amazing earth. My men, they're huge and masculine, like my biceps. So this is my face. It looked like shit from the bottom of abyss. I looks like my face is molded by using vomit of a cat.
May ubo nga ako pala. Kuha tayo ng ng bayabas. Yan o. Wait lang. Kuhanin mo muna. Mahirap. May ihawak namin ah. Wow! Amazing! So, ayan na. Kuha tayo ng
So here, I'm planning to climb the star apple tree to get some star apple, of course.
Akyatin natin yan. With no hassle. Let's go! Yan. Pasensya nyo, malabo. Xiaomi Pro Max ang aking brand ng cellphone. Kaya huwag na kayo magtaka. Yan. Shit. Yan ang view.
Look at the view. It's like I'm being dragged to the internal light.
Kinukuha na tayo sa daming sayang. Wait lang. Akyat muna tayo. Let's go.
So here I have to cut the video. Because climbing while carrying my smartphone is very dangerous.
Oh, ayun na.
At this moment,
Tapos na.
I'm finished climbing the tree.
Lahat yung bunga. So, ano pang hinihintay? Mukbang na! Sheesh! Ayun na pala. Baka konti lamang. Dahil yung panungkit ay nalaglag lagi. Ay, Tagalog ka to. Agad! Nalaglag agad. Kahit di ko pa na misplace ko kaya nalaglag. Kaya may bad. Kaya yan na lang yung nakuha.
But on the other hand, it was successful.
Pero inagood.
I have no bruises and I'm safe, and last but not the least, I have a lot of star apple to eat and to give.
Pakatas niyan. Kaya yung mga prutas may mga giltak, biyak sa Tagalog. Yeah. So ayun ang kain na tayo. Let's go.
Look at the lighting. Amazing, my nigga. My man, it's very juicy and soft. I look like a monkey eating some random fruit.
solve raising. Napakasarap at very solve. So, yun na. yung ano yun. Yung tira, ibibigay natin sa kapitbahay natin at kung sino man may gusto. Kila ate at kay papa. Yeah, goodbye.
3 minutes later.
So, nakauwi na ako. Doon si ate ko. Yan. Napakadilim, hindi mo makita. So,
Nag-vlog ka?
oo!
Ang ganda naman ng vlog mo. Kumakain talaga ako, no? Ganda naman ng vlog mo, no?
So, ayun nakakuha ako ng trapple at bibigyan ko sa kanya para lumaki yung ulo niya. Okay. Ay,
Subscribe now to